In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Shopify partner account first. Open your browser and navigate to the Shopify partners page. Look for the prominent Join Now or Sign Up button and click it to begin. This is the gateway to tools and resources designed specifically for developers, designers, and agencies who build stores or apps on Shopify, so take a moment to make sure you are on the official partner site before proceeding. Next, create your Shopify account. You'll be asked to provide an email address, choose a secure password, and give a name for your initial store. Use an email you check regularly, and pick a password manager to generate and store a strong password. The initial store name can be a working name for now. It's easy to change later once you start building. After you sign up, check your inbox for a verification email from Shopify. That email contains an activation link that will confirm your address and let you log in. If you don't see it within a few minutes, check the spam or promotions folder. Keep in mind, the link can expire, so complete this step promptly to avoid repeating the sign-up process. Once your email is verified, log in with your new account and choose the option to create new partner account. This action formally enrolls you in the partner program and gives you access to the specialized dashboard and tools for partners. You'll then fill out your partner profile. Start by selecting your role, indicating whether you're an individual or representing a business. Be clear about your primary goal on the platform, such as building stores, developing apps, or offering services. This helps Shopify tailor resources and recommendations to your needs. Next, add your business information. Enter your business name and location, including country or region, and complete the short questionnaire with any other requested details. Provide accurate information here so you can receive correct tax documents, invitations, and localized support when needed. After you finish the profile, you will land in the Partner Dashboard. This is your central hub for managing client projects, tracking earnings, accessing partner resources, and monitoring apps or stores you develop. Spend a few minutes exploring the menus and settings to become familiar with where things live. Finally, create a development store from the dashboard. Development stores are free and perfect for testing themes, building apps, and managing client projects without incurring costs. Use them to experiment, demonstrate work to clients, and validate ideas before going live. With your partner account and a development store in place, you're ready to start building on Shopify.